In today's video, I want to quickly show you how to make an animated GIF using some pictures and Apple Keynote. So let's get right to it. First thing, you open up Apple Keynote. I just choose the basic white presentation and then grab your photos. I've selected mine, I've got them ready to go, and I'm going to drop 6 photos. You can go above or below the slide that's there, it really does not matter. Pop them in and delete the first one because it's just the blank one that's there by default. And you see how you've got this slide title? You can ignore that. None of that is going to end up being in the final export. Then you've got your slides. Make sure you go to File, Export to Animated GIF. Now don't miss this part. It defaults to slide 1 to 1. So if you just click Save from here, it's going to export one picture, which is not helpful. So you got to make sure you select all. So slides 1 through 6, because there are 6 photos here. Save, call it whatever I want. I'm going to keep it just untitled for now for being quick here. And you can preview it right there. Hey, you can see it's quick GIFs moving through. One thing to know is that if you double click on the file to open it up, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this, and it doesn't automatically play inside of here. Okay, so you might get confused when you see this and be like, what happened? If you just hover over your file and press spacebar, you will be able to see the GIF animation. So rest assured, it did happen and it is working. There you have it. That is how you create a quick GIF using Apple Keynote and your pictures. So high five, Nova, we did it. Have some fun using this to create fun content for your classes, for your lectures, for your colleagues, wherever you want to use it. Just make sure that you're having a little bit of fun. And hey, if you like the way that I have created and produced this, I love using this in my classes. I use a tool called Ecamm Live. Love it. My absolute favorite video production recording tool of all time. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you use it and how you use it, or if you have other suggestions for making GIFs really quickly on your desktop. I do have a different tool that I use to make it on my cell phone. So let me know if that's something you're interested in seeing. Like I always say, keep learning, inspiring, and teaching with love. Take good care. See you next time.